Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my easy tutorial to understand Shopify Pagefly. First, what is Pagefly? Pagefly is one of the best landing page builder for Shopify. With Pagefly, you'll be able to create a landing page, or if you would like to create an About Us page, a collection page, or any one of the pages that you would like to add to your Shopify store, you'll be able to customize it by simply drag and drop in some templates. If this sounds good to you and you'd like to learn how to do this step by step, be sure to stick around until the end. The first thing you want to do is download the app. To do this, you're going to need to go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap where you see apps and you're going to tap on app and sales channel settings. After you have done that, I want you to select Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store. And in the search bar, you can type in Pagefly and you're going to select it. After you have done that, you're going to tap on install. Once you have tapped on install, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on install once more. After you have tapped on install once more, you'll be redirected to the Pagefly dashboard. Once on the Pagefly dashboard, what I want you to do next is you can either tap on create your first page right here, or you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on pages. So let's say for example, we were to tap on create your first page, then tap on start creating pages. From here, you have two options. You can either choose to tap on create blank page, and then from there you can select the type of page that you would like to create, and you'll simply create your page from scratch. And I would normally recommend this option if you have experience with creating landing pages. But if you are a complete beginner, I would recommend that you tap on create from template. And from here you can select the type of page that you would like to create. So let's say for example, we would like to create a home page. You could tap on home. Then after doing that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select a template. You can also tap right here where you see type. And from there, you want to ensure that home page is selected. If it was a case that you wanted to create an About Us page, you could do that. Or landing page, you can also do that. You can also select a particular industry. So this means that you could select the niche that your Shopify store is in. You could select it right here. So let's say for example, my niche is in the health and beauty. I could simply tap on health and beauty. Then from there, you can see right there that I have a different set of options that are offered to me. And if I were to tap right there again and then change my industry to home decor, you'll realize that the options that they offer are different, as you can see right there. So it all depends on the niche that you're in. You can choose your particular niche right there. You can also choose your style. So for example, let's say I were to select luxury and I were to unselect industry right here. You can see the different options by simply scrolling down. So you can zone down your search to make it even more specific if you want. So you can see them right there. Now let's say for example, I were to select this option. All I would need to do is tap on select. After you have tapped on select, from here you can see how it looks. So you can scroll down and you can see how it looks at the moment. And it is quite easy to customize your page using Pagefly. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to edit. Once you have tapped on the section, you're going to realize that some new options pop up on the right hand column. So for example, you can see slide 1, slide 2. So you can see right there. If it is a case that you would like to delete a slide, you can simply tap on the trash can. If it is a case that you would like to change the slide image or so on, you can do that. So you could scroll down, you can change the call to action. So you could tap on click right here. And then from there, if you like to redirect them to a page, once they tap on it, you could tap on go to URL. Then you could tap on select URL, and for example, you could tap on products, and let's say you like to redirect them to a particular product page. You could select the product, then tap on select. After you have done that, you can simply scroll down, and then from there you could tap on more settings if you want, and you can edit it even further. If I were to tap on styling, you can see right here I can change the color and so on. Another thing that I want you to also check out is by going over to the left hand menu option. From here, if I were to tap on the icon that says show page outline, you will be able to see each section on your page. So you can see it right there. So if I were to tap on section type, you can see it carries me to this section. From here, I can tap, for example, on the text. So I could tap right here on the sales percentage. Then if I wanted to change that to 25%, I could do that from the right hand column right there. As you can see, I've changed it to 25%. And I can also scroll down and I could continue editing. So you can continue making changes if you want. So I could tap on, for example, I could close the content section. And again, if you would like it to be clickable, you can do that. And you can also select right here, and you could change the column image, and you can also change the button or the text if you want by tapping on the text. It is quite easy to do. And if you would like to add a new section, all you'll need to do is tap on the blue plus right there. Then you could tap on template. After you have tapped on template, you'll be redirected to this pop-up, and you can choose the section that you would like to add. So you can scroll down and you can see different templates, or you can tap on category. And let's say, for example, I'd like to add a trust badge. I could tap on trust badge right there. Then you can see the different trust badges option. And let's say, for example, I'd like to use this one. I could tap on select, and you can see that it has been added right there. After it has been added, you could edit the countdown. So I could tap right there and I could edit the countdown section. So you can see right here when the countdown starts, when the countdown restarts, and you can see right there. You can choose when the countdown would end also. So you can select that also, as you can see right there. So it is quite easy to edit. Also, by going over to the left hand menu option, let's say, for example, you like to add a buy button. You could tap on the fourth icon from the top, which is Shopify Elements. From here, you can see the different options. You can add product details, product media. You could also add the buy button. So you could tap on the add to cart button right there, and you can see the options. And if it is a case that you would like to add other third-party applications, you could tap right there. And after doing that, you can see the different applications that you can also integrate on your Pagefly platform. So for example, if you like to add pop-ups, you can do that by tapping on pop-ups right there. You can select the application that you would like to add. Another thing that you can also do, for example, if you want to add extra third-party applications, you could tap right there and you'll be able to view them. And by going down, you can tap on add custom code. So you could add your custom code right there if you have experience with coding. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner and you'll be able to preview how it looks. Before doing that, let me save it. So I'll tap on save right there and I'm going to simply type in test page. And I'm going to type in test page right here and I'm going to save it. So let me do that real quick. After it has been saved, I'm going to tap on publish so you can see how it looks. You can see that it is being saved right there. Then I'll tap on enable. After you have tapped on enable, you're going to tap on publish. Then you'll tap on publish once more. After you have tapped on publish, you're going to tap on publish again. Then select it once more. Now that it has been published, you'll just give it a few seconds. Once it has been published, we'll be redirected or we'll go back onto our Shopify store. And then from there, you'll be able to see how it looks. So you can see right there that it has been published. So if we were to tap on preview now, you can see how our home page looks right now. So you can see it right there that it does look very professional. The next thing I want you to do, once you have published it, you're going to go back into Shopify and you're going to simply close this section. After closing this section, you can see right here, page has been published. If it is a case that you would like to unpublish it, you can do that by simply selecting the page. You could unpublish it right there. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on sections from the left hand menu option. If you would like to create a blank section, you can do that. To view your analytics, you could tap on analytics right there and you could add your Google Analytics. You can also tap on extra functions, and from here you can integrate other third-party apps. You can also manage your swatches, and you can also, for example, let's say I had deleted a page, I'll be able to reinstall the page if I wanted to by going onto trash. And also, if you like to upload a custom font, you could do that. So you can see numerous options that are also available on Pagefly. But I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and I want you to tap on view your online store. At the moment, if you were to tap on view your online store, you can see that we still have the old homepage design at the top right here. But by scrolling down, you can see that the Pagefly option has been added at the bottom right here. Now to edit this, all you'll need to do, we're going to go back right here on our admin dashboard. Once on our admin dashboard, we're going to tap on online store. Then once on the themes page, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you're going to simply hide all of these sections or you can choose to delete them. So we could tap on the trash can. So we'll tap on the trash can right there. And once it is only the Pagefly homepage section is showing, you are going to simply tap on save. After you have tapped on save, if we were to now tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner and tap on view, you can see how our homepage looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.